everyone. I want to thank those of you who are joining me on this journey already. And for those of you who are not yet joining me, I want to share with you that I'm announcing a few competitions that are based on mask making. You can make a mask out of anything you want and share it with me. Right now I'm making masks out of fabric, but I'd like to see what you do. If you already have a video, you can just post it in the links. We're doing DIY masks that we use for COVID protection or that we've given to friends. And here's the fun part. You get to post it in a language of your choice. We're hoping that we'll get lots of language responses. English, of course, but also we're looking for Spanish, Thai, Khmer, you name it. So go to town. If you do it in Klingon, I don't know how I'm going to review it and proof it, but you can go for that too. I'm not really sure how Klingon translates. And if you aren't able to communicate verbally, feel free to do it in Braille or in Morse code. Oh, okay, anyway, sorry about that. I'm digressing greatly. The first challenge that I'll announce to you today is basically to do a video about making a mask. Try to keep your video to 10 minutes and under, and it's an instructional video. So you need to go through all the steps making the mask so that somebody else might be able to follow it so that they can also benefit from your video. Post the video on your YouTube site or on a site that is a friend's or something like that, and then also post it in the link under this video. When you do that, then I'll review those, and you might be asking, well, what do I get for my efforts? Well, first of all, you get a shout out from me, which is worth a lot, right? Because here you are watching my channel. Somebody else must be watching my channel, and I'll do a shout out to you. If you're in the Long Beach area or close by and can pick up a mask, I will award you a thank you mask up to a number of, let's say, 50 people who respond. And I just want to say that we're looking for people with family-friendly channels. Ooh, we can't speak today. Family-friendly channels, because we're sort of linking everybody together, and we want to make sure that we're not linking to family unfriendly channels. So here it is, the first channel. Make a DIY video about making a mask that someone else can follow. Thank you so much, and look out for more challenges in the very near future. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to channel Squigglemom.